recipe of mine. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this lettuce trim tank top. Super duper simple and easy, I promise. At least, I think so. For me it is. But you'll learn. So starting off with materials, you're just going to be needing a t-shirt, a sewing machine, and a pair of scissors. So to start off, just go ahead and grab your t-shirt and measure from the bottom the length that you want your tank top to be, like basically, yeah, the length that you want your tank top to be. Mine is 12 inches, and then just go ahead and cut a straight line down. And then now that you've got like a rectangle kind of thing, you want to cut that open, like from the seam, from the side, so that now you have like a full rectangle piece. For the second step, just go ahead and measure around your bust, so like this area, and mine was about 32 inches. And you're going to also just divide that, so mine's 32, I'm going to divide it by 2, so now I have 17. Since mine was 17, I'm going to put 17 onto the rectangle and cut with a little bit of a seam allowance. I'm going to give about 1 inch on each side, so basically 19 inches, and just cut the side that has been folded. So you've got 2 separate rectangles, and you're just going to go ahead and straight stitch down the 2 edges to make a tube top like this. So basically you can stop here if you just want a tube top, but we're going to be a little bit extra. Keep the wrong side facing out. And now we're going to go to lettuce trim. Go ahead and bring this to your sewing machine, and you're going to set your sewing machine to the zigzag stitch setting. Now just going to go ahead and go to the hem of your tube top, and you're just going to fold 1 inch in and zigzag all the way down. Basically one side of the zigzag stitch will be onto the fabric, and the other side kind of like off the fabric on the edge. And while doing this, make sure to like really tug on the fabric, or else your lettuce trim won't come out as lettucey. It'll kind of come out like straight. But yeah, just go ahead and repeat on the other edge. And there you have it. Now you've got like a tube top, a lettuce trim tube top. You can stop here, but I'm gonna go further and I'm gonna add some straps. I'm just gonna go back to my t-shirt from earlier, and I'm just going to cut like a straight line, and then cut it open, so now I have a giant rectangle. Go ahead and fold in the raw edges, and then fold it in half, and then have a straight stitch all the way down the rectangle. And now I've got a like 1 set of straps. Now I'm going to go back to the tube top. I'm going to try the tube top on to see if it fits, stuff like that. And then I'm going to also measure it with a measuring tape to see how long I want my straps to be like about 10-11 inches. So I'm just going to cut my straps to that length, two of them. And now I'm just going to fix them into place with a straight stitch, and you are done. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and share with family and friends. If it was not so easy, maybe rewatch this and maybe you'll get it more. Anyways, make sure to subscribe and join the sunflower family, or garden. Ciao!